The Ultimate Dermoteen Whitening Cream Reviews Tutorial from 0 to Pro in 1 minute. Most people get this wrong when trying brightening creams. They expect instant whitening. The surprising truth about Dermoteen Whitening Cream is that it can help even out skin tone gently over time, but only if you understand its use and limitations. First, examine the ingredients. Dermoteen typically uses lightening agents like niacinamide or mild exfoliants to reduce dark spots and promote a brighter complexion. These work gradually, slowing melanin production and speeding up skin renewal. You won't believe how effective consistency can be. Next, patch test and check skin sensitivity. Many skip this and get irritation instead of glow. Apply a small amount on one area first. If no redness or burning occurs within 24 hours, start normal use. Slowly building tolerance is key. For best results, cleanse skin thoroughly, apply the cream at night, and always follow up with sunscreen next morning. Most people get this wrong by skipping sun protection, and that cancels any benefits. The surprising truth is that even the best whitening creams can't counter damage without Listen to real user reviews. Some people report improved brightness and fading of dark marks within 4-6 weeks of regular use. Others say results plateau, which is normal, because skin tone is influenced by many factors including genetics, diet, and sun exposure. Finally, be realistic and safe. Dermoteen is a cosmetic aid, not a magic fix. If you're sensitive to active agents or have persistent skin issues, consult a dermatologist. In conclusion, Dermoteen Whitening Cream can take you from 0 to pro in skincare, but it demands consistency, care, and smart habits. Combine the cream with good hygiene, sun protection, and healthy lifestyle choices to see the glow you want safely and sustainably.